Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher at the top to activate it. Then just tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to reduce display size with gesture on or button. Then follow all of those instructions below your choice. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on this blurry area. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon on one of its sides, or hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also resize it by holding one of its corners and picking the perfect size. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!